What if I told you this scooter costs $15,000 and somehow it still dominates the streets of Europe? Welcome back to Moto Revs 27, and today we're looking at something that shouldn't make sense, but absolutely does. Meet the Yamaha TMAX 25th anniversary. In cities like Paris, Rome, and Barcelona, traffic is tight, roads are unpredictable, and riders want one thing: freedom. Not a full sport bike, not a basic scooter, but something right in between. And that's exactly where the TMAX lives. This isn't your average scooter. You're looking at a 562 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, pushing around 47 horsepower. That means real acceleration, real highway capability, and a top speed over 160 kilometers per hour. And the best part? No clutch, no gears, just twist and go. But here is why it dominates. Unlike most scooters, the TMAX uses a proper motorcycle-style aluminum frame, which means better balance, sharper handling, and serious stability at speed. You can commute through traffic in the morning and carve corners in the afternoon. That's something most scooters can't even dream of. And then there's the premium side. This 25th anniversary edition brings exclusive colors, red stitching, and subtle details that remind you this isn't ordinary. From the 7-inch TFT display to the overall build quality, everything feels high-end. This isn't just transportation, it's a statement. So why do people still buy this? Because it does everything. It's comfortable, practical, fast enough, and ridiculously easy to ride. In Europe, where daily riding is a lifestyle, this is the perfect balance. But let's be real. It's expensive. It's heavy. And for a scooter, it almost feels excessive. And yeah, not everyone needs this level of performance. But that's the point. This isn't the most logical scooter, but it might just be the most complete one ever made.